So hello guys, so today we are going to install a new machine which is made by erbe company, Cryo 2, right? So what is the basic use of this machine? It is utilized to take the biopsy in pulmonary department. So we are just brief regarding to the what are the do's, what are the don'ts of this machine, what is the basic application, what is the basic principle, how to use with the patient, right? So these basic things we are going to what we can say that say in this video. So with us, our company engineer, kindly introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, myself Kamlesh Shila. I am based in Pune, looking after the erbe portfolio for the sales and marketing. So right now we are looking after erbe Cryo 2 units. So as sir rightly mentioned, it has been expected to use in a pulmonary biopsy procedures, as well as it can be used for the other organic material extraction in the pulmonary procedures like emergency procedures, as well as you can use it for the blood clot removal in the emergency procedures and ICU. So here you can see the cryo unit attached to the cryo trolley. Along with that, you can see closely here we have been given the cylinder in the back. Cylinder which has been connected through the attachment. A dedicated attachment has been provided. This is 3 kg cylinder and it has to be
cylinder.
Yeah. So along with the key, it always has to be in closed condition where it's not operated or in a off condition. So as you can see, the foot pedal is also given here for the activation. And now we can see here the probe connection socket, dedicated probe connection socket for the Cryo 2. And now we are going to start the machine. When we start it going under the self check mode, here it detonates the virgin. Now we are able to see the exact display of equipment. Here you can see the probe is not connected. Okay. Apart from the different effects are there. And if I press here on the information tab, here you can see where foot pedal is assigned or not, how much the pressure for the gas cylinder, then which type of probe is connected, all the information will come out here. Okay, if you want to go out, you just need to press this button and you go under main display. Okay, here we don't have to set anything on specific. If surgeon requires or user required, we can set the programs, but as we recommend ideally, no any specific program assignment is required here. As you see,
This is a biopsy probe, right? They have provided. So you can observe this is nothing but erbe level is there, right? It is always you have to be keep at the top side, and this is your downward side. How to fix it? Come close. So they have provided here 3 nozzles, right? So you have to just keep it like this and just push it. Okay, it get fixed.
well, the click sound will be as you can sound will be come out, and you just see the probe connection is happened successfully.
Right.
Okay. So here you can see the timer and type of settings here, whatever the by default settings for the respective probe is given are there. And as I previously mentioned, when you press I, you see the details of the probe. Which type of probe is it?
1.1 mm probe is there, right?
Its length and its core.
Come close. Cylinder pressure is also they have mentioned here. It is a 53 bar like that. If we open fully cylinder, it will be increase, right?
So once I need to disconnect I need to turn on the cylinder right now. So the pressure will be getting increased here.
Yeah. See,
So once
it reached to 62 bar
yeah.
when we open the cylinder. So we just see the demo in this water.
When you connect the probe to check any kind of leakage or any kind of damage to the
Come
instrument,
close, come close.
we need to put water in any kind of beaker or cylinder, and then we need to check by pressing it inside the water and press the foot pedal and activate the probe.
Yes, there is no bubble. That means there is no leakage.
No leakage. And as you take it out while in continuous activation, you can see the crystal formation around the tip. So that is the ideal condition for the probe.
You can achieve this with help of by pressing the foot switch.
Continuous pressing the foot pedal, right?
Okay, so I will show you once again. What we have to do is we have to press the foot pedal. What is the biopsy we have to take? See this sting we have to remove, right? And once I just what we can say that stop the CO2 supply, right? You can remove this biopsy in another big
Like a sample, whatever you have.
yeah, removed from the body.
Yes. You just need to put it in and just check it. So it will get dropped down, or you will get a tool for that. So with the help of tool, you can remove the biopsy.
Now after the procedure, what precautions we have to take?
After the procedures, basically we need to remove the probe very.
So how to remove the probe?
Yeah.
So we have to
Just press the thumb on
Yeah.
upside and just pull it out.
okay.
So this is the ideal condition, and then we have to close the cylinder because there might be a chances that CO2 will be get leaked. So it has to be better to be closed after the procedure. The cylinder has to be closed in a clockwise direction.
Right. So first we have to remove the probe, then we have to close the cylinder, and at the last we have to switch off the machine.
And always keep the probe in its whatever the condition it has.
How to put the probe?
Yeah, you can keep it in any plastic bag or any normal procedure. After normal procedure, what are the ideal, what are the things you have to do?
Okay. And
Maintain
when we have to change this probe?
Yeah, before every procedure, you have to check the instrument. Is it working or not?
Okay.
And you have to be careful around it. It's normally overused now. That's why we are handling in this manner. When you are using a new probe, ideally it has to be in a circular manner. It has to be placed in circular manner.
Suppose there is a sometime there is a very infectious patients are there, and I want to reutilize the probe. So what is the disinfection?
Ideally, this is a single-use probe.
Okay.
So better if it's so infectious patient, better to charge in for the new one.
Okay.
And go for
Suppose
the
we have to
sterile.
disinfect it. How to sterile it?
It's ideally I have mentioned it's single, so unable to be.
Okay. If there is a normal patient,
Normal
and
patient,
sometime I
yeah.
want to reutilize, so what is
Reutilize,
that?
you can go for the ETO.
Okay. So
Then
we can ETO for
ETO,
this.
yeah, you can do it ETO, but you have to handle very carefully,
Okay.
so it won't get damaged.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.